Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to permanently delete your Gmail account. Let's get started. Open the Gmail app and tap on your profile picture at the top. Choose the account you want to delete and select Manage your Google account. Go to the Data and Privacy section. Scroll all the way down and tap on Delete your Google account. Here you will need to enter your phone's unlock PIN. Next, tap on Send to receive a verification code, then enter the code and press Next. At this point, you have the option to download your data. If you want to skip this step, simply scroll down, check the two boxes, and tap Delete Account. And that's it. Now you know how to permanently delete your Gmail account from your phone.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.